Photo embroidery function operation. First, install the flat table. Next, place the table support in. Rotate to right. Then tighten these 4 screws. Then install the flat embroidery frame. Place the embroidery frame in the center. Tighten the screws with a 3 mm hexagon socket. If there is a gap between the embroidery frame and the table, turn the table support to the right. Just make sure there is no gap. Then use Photoshop to convert the photo to BMP format. Use Photoshop to open the picture. Pixel width should be less than 10,000. Photo depth set to 24 bits. Finally, check whether the image is set to BMP format. Next, insert the USB drive. Click this pattern button. Then click the USB button. Find the photo from the USB flash drive. Click on the photo and the machine will read it. Then click OK. Machine will copy the picture from the USB drive. Press ESC button. Then click this pattern button. The photo has been copied to the machine. Let's select the photo and click OK. The machine is reading the photo. We can see that there are 4 colors. Photo embroidery function only has 4 colors: yellow, red, blue, black. Later we will determine the embroidery order based on yellow, red, blue, and black. Press the OK button. Machine will process the photo into embroidery pattern. Press the storage button. The machine will store the embroidery pattern. This little cross symbol is where the needle starts. The pattern is not in the frame. We can move the 4 buttons up, down, left, and right. Find where the pattern fits. After adjusting the position, tap this button. Machine will move the frame automatically. To confirm the frame alignment is smooth. Next, we choose the color. Tap this button. Because the order of photo embroidery is fixed: yellow, red, blue, and black, We need to find the corresponding thread. Yellow is number 7. Red is 3. Blue is 4. Black is 9. So embroidery order is 7, 3 for 9. Press this green button. The machine will start embroidering.